Hello, welcome back to Wonian Clifton Fishing Association with Nathan Flynn, the club secretary. Today we are down at our Lavendon Road stretch. This stretch is one of the main bits of waters that we use in our matches. We have access down here, especially on match days, so you can park behind your peg, which is obviously a little bit of an attraction. Pleasure anglers, specimen hunters alike love this stretch. We've got a nice section further down called the beam field, which I'm sure most of you have heard of, which is normally where all the carp are coming out from. All the way along this stretch, we've had tench coming out, bream coming out last season as well, and obviously is infamous for the big Ron Ball win 2 years ago with loads and loads of silvers. All right, so this stretch is lovely for the pleasure angler, the match angler, or the specimen hunter alike. Lavendon Road section, come check it out.